still driving through the Badlands, heading for Delta 1 silo. Just a thought, this is probably the most dangerous place in the world to be, because say a nuclear war was to happen right now, this would be one of the first places to be hit, because the Russians would be trying to destroy the hardened silos to ensure that the Americans wouldn't have first and second and third strike capabilities. So this place would be just peppered with nuclear bombs trying to destroy the silos. Interesting thought. Anyways, outside the temperature's about 92 degrees. I'm just throwing the air conditioning on a GPS there, because if it gets too hot it may stop functioning. So, but inside the caddy the temperature's cool 70 degrees. Outside it's like an oven. About 17 miles to go.